Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 diesel power steering fluid replacement. Here, inside this one. So, you need 1.5 liters. So to make all the flush, you need around 2 liters. First of all, let me get some sample. So I want to check if the old oil is dirty or not and so on. It's not so dirty, but color is like this. Let me see. So let's take out all this one inside. Now we will check. So we took out around 250 milliliters out from the expansion tank. It's almost empty inside. As you see, we cleared to make a cleaner job. So we will take this hose, this one on the back side, which is the return line. This one goes into the pump. This nut, we will keep this one on the back side. We will take out, we will direct it inside this one, this bottle, clean inside, and meanwhile we will be injecting, pouring down a new steering fluid. So, but first thing, after this, first thing is to jack up the car. So we will raise the wheels so that without powering the car, we will just let the steering wheel turn left and right easily by putting the ignition key in the position, and that's all. Without turning on the car, we will do full left and full right turns with the steering wheel from the inside. So meanwhile, when we do this manually without the power on, we will see that from the return line, this one here on the back, we will see the old dirty oil to come inside this, and we will be putting down every time new. This is multi HF power steering fluid. So we will be adding slow by slow new oil, meanwhile observing that the old oil, dirty oil, will come out. We will do this 2-3 times, full left with the steering wheel, full right, so that we will clean out all the internal system of the steering rack and the pump. And that's why we will do this until we observe full clean steering fluid. It will be green instead of this color, this dirty color, okay? So let's start to jack up the car. Now we are ready after jacking up the car. So we lift it up the car, and now our tires can be manually rotated easily, as you see. So now we will take out this hose, return line hose, this one on the back, this one on the back, and make a connection with this one, with this one, so that we will take out all the dirty and old oil, hydraulic steering fluid. And okay, during this process, when I make prepared, I will make another video. Now we took out this return hose and we blocked it like this, just not to lose the new steering fluid we put inside the box. So we took out this line and we put it here, so when we move the wheel left and right, all the dirty steering fluid inside the system will come inside from this hose and will be poured into it. Meanwhile, every time, every cycle that we will do full left or full right, we will top up this steering fuel, new one, okay, this one, so that there will be no air bubbles going inside the system, all the pump and the rack and pinion, so we will protect it. So we don't want any air bubbles inside the system. This will make noise, and this will of course definitely decrease your performance of driving, steering, and so on. So now I will try to put it like this. Camera for you. Maybe I can try this so that you can see the bubbles. Sorry, oil coming. Let me fix the camera first with primitive methods, but works always. So, like this, maybe. Let me do something else. Yes, I think this is good. Now you will see the dirty oil. Now it's full right. You see it's coming little by little. Yeah, this will do until we get 1.5 liters of the steering fluid old. Then we will start to observe new green color. I will show you the color of the clean oil also later on, so that you will understand. I am not using the steering wheel. I am just outside the car. I am just turning the wheel with my hands, full left and full right, and that's all. You see, the old oil is coming. Keep an eye. So you should be careful while doing this. You should check also here. You should top up new fluid. Okay, that's important. So every 2-3 times you turn left and right, you should check and top up add some extra steering fluid. That's all. This is the trick. So let's continue. Yeah, just in case you want to see the color of the brand new oil, I will pour it a little bit so you see it's green. Sorry for the mess, I will clean it. So you see, this is the greenish color. See, this is the greenish color. Okay, so let's continue. Let me show you. So we are around more or less 1 liter, maybe a little more, and we are putting new oil, hydraulic steering fluid. Then we will just turn left and turn right, that's all. So we almost finished with the draining. This is the color, you see, it's dark brownish. It's around a little bit more than 1.5 liters. I can tell you this is around 2 liters because I just used this one first, 1 liter. Then I used this one, and then after that this is finished, and I will 1/2 liter of this. So we are almost done. Now I will connect all the pipes and so on, and then I will start the car and check if there's any oil bubbles coming, and I will level up the steering fluid, and then we are finished. So to level up, you should be around here, between min and max, near to max. So I will show you later on. Of course, before the finish, to do all these operations, to take out these hose and put it into the position again, you see there's a slot here, and there's a screw, and there's a nut. So this is 10 millimeter. So I used this one. This is a 10 millimeter ratchet. So we put it in the same position. To finish like this. Okay, so I will put the screw and then top up the fluid and check if the air bubble is coming. And least but not the last, I put a bit of, old rag textile just to keep clean all these places, and that's all. Now I will put this nut on and I will tighten it, then I will top up the fluid, and I will do 2-3 times turning the wheel left and right, just to be sure that there's nothing inside, there's no air bubble, and then I will top up the fluid and I will check the level, and I will finish. Now let's top up the fluid. So I will do 2-3 times left and right, just to be sure. You can do from the wheel, or now I will show you from the steering wheel, because I use the camera with my right hand and I will use my left hand. So this is full left. Okay, so you push up tight and then you turn right. So you see the car is not running. Nothing. You just do manually all this draining operation. I mean, power steering fluid operation is just done by under low power, low pressure, so you don't need high pressure from the system. Otherwise you can damage the system. It's risky. This is secure and 100% sure it works. So this is Volkswagen Touareg 2011 V6 TDI. So it is turbo diesel power. You see. Now I will check my level. By the way, you can be sure, 100% sure, that this operation is the same for the Porsche Cayenne SUVs and also Audi Q7, and actually for most of the Volkswagen, Audi and Porsche cars, because they are all WAC, you know, Volkswagen group. So this power steering flush is almost the same for most of the cars. So you see, I have to top up a little bit more, because after I made left and right, some of the oil went inside, you see. So I have to put a little bit more. So let's do it. So let's check the level again. So should be underneath the max. So you tighten it and you see, it's perfect. So what to tell you, this is done. So you can do this operation in your Volkswagen Touaregs, you can do it in the Audi Q7 SUVs, you can do it with Porsche Cayenne, you know, and all Volkswagen cars, Audi cars, most of them. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you also for your do-it-yourself. So you can see the level now here. Okay. Ciao bello. So, one final note before to finish everything. Start the car when the car is on the jack stand again. Use your steering wheel, make full left, full right, just to be sure. When all the system is out of the air bubbles, okay, full left, full right, 2-3 times, so that the level of the oil is proper. Now it's fine. I check it. You see, you can see it. It's okay. Ciao. Bye bye.